So, hello viewers. So, today we will discuss about the loops in Java. So, what are the loops? A loop is used for executing a block of statements repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. So, a loop consists of an initialization statement, condition, state, test condition, and increment statement. So basically, a loop is used for executing the block of statements. So basically, one statement, this is a statement. Okay, to perform this statements or block of statement repeatedly, so we have to print a particular task repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. So for that purpose, we use loops in Java. Okay, so there are basically three types of loops: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. We will learn these three loops in this tutorial. Okay, so first of all, what is for loop? For loop consists of initialization, initialization statement, condition statement, and uh, update or incrementation increment statement. And inside this loop there is a body which will um, get executed after this condition get true. Okay, so in this example for loop, uh, according to syntax, we used for loop here. So for parentheses, inside that parentheses we uh, initializing a counter variable I, which starts from 1, and the value of I is less than or equal to 20, and I plus plus. This I plus plus will increment the value of I after uh, first this condition. Okay, and store a new value of I inside that I int I variable. Okay, so go to let's go to our Eclipse IDE. So here is our Eclipse, and we open a package explorer. Inside that we created one project, and project name is hello world, and inside that project there is a source files, and inside that four source files src folder, uh, there is one package we created, and inside that package we will create one class. Okay, so we will create one class. So name of this class, let's say we give loops in Java. Okay, so we will create a main method and click on finish. Okay, so here one class name loops in Java get created. So inside this class we will see for loop. Okay, for loop in Java. So for that, for we know the syntax of for loop. For bracket, opening bracket, closing bracket. Okay, parenthesis. Inside that parenthesis, there will be one condition. So for that, we have to initialize the counter variable here. So we initializing a variable of type int and initializing it from 1. Okay, and we can also initialize this variable from 0. Okay, so here we give him the condition I is less than or equal to 100. Okay, and counter variable I get increment by 1. Okay, so in this, after this condition, we will simply print that counter variable I. So what we done here, let's first of all we will run the program. So you can see here all the values from 0 to 100 get printed. If we don't want 0 here, so what we will do one thing, we will start this variable from 1. Okay, so now the counter variable will start from or print the value of I from 1 to 100. We save the program, rerun the program, and you can see now the value of I get printed from 1 to 100. If we don't want this 100 included, we have to remove this equal to sign. So what will happen? It will print the values from 1 to 99 only. So save the program and rerun the program. So you can see the value of I are from 1 to 99. You can give any condition here from 1000. So the value get printed from 1 to 1000. If you don't want this all the values in next line, so you have to simply remove this print ln. Instead of this print ln, we have to print only system.out.print. Okay, so what will happen, these all the values get printed one after other. It will not print in next line. Okay, so let's save the program and rerun the program. So here what is happened, all the values get attached with each other. So we will do one thing, we will add concatenation operator and add some space here. Save the program, rerun the program. So you can see now the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 9 999 get printed here. We will not print that much value. We will print only 10 value. Okay. So save the program and run the program. Now you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have to include 10 also. For that we will put equal to sign here and save the program, run the program. So you can see the values from 1 to 10 get printed successfully on console. So now we will we will give any condition here, and that counter variable will print that much value for us. So that's it for um, for loop. In next video we will discuss about while loop. Okay.